think I had my video taken by somebody. Yeah.
Hello.
Hello, mate. You alright?
Yeah.
You taking my?
To use the drone.
Is there any reason for taking my video?
Yeah. I'm on public way, so I'm.
So am I.
Yeah. You are on public way, but the drone is on my side.
It's not on your side, is it?
No, it's I'm supervisor.
It's in the air.
Yeah, in the air, but it's on my.
No, it's in the air.
Yeah.
It's perfectly legal in the air.
It's legal.
Yep.
When he's taking picture of my side.
Yeah. Perfectly legal. Yeah.
Okay.
Perfectly legal. Yeah. Why do you think it's not?
Because it's private property.
I'm allowed to video private property.
Privacy of the site. It's
You're-
private property.
So, if
So
I
if
can,
I put the drone inside your home,
right?
so I'm allowed to do it.
No, because that's
Take
it.
your privacy.
If
So
you
it's
came,
same-
look. There's a drone up there. Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a house.
Yeah.
I'm above the roof.
When you bridge, when you bridge the air of
No.
UK,
No.
when any plane bridges the air
I'm
of
above
UK,
the
you
roof.
need authorization.
I'm above the
Do you
roof.
agree with that?
No. I have
Oh.
authorization from the CAA. You see the plane above us?
Oh, if you bridge the air of any private policy, you don't need.
You see the plane?
Yeah.
Has that got your
Exactly.
authorization?
So that plane is flying with authorization.
So is this one?
That plane is flying with authorization.
So is
of
this
the
one?
UK,
So
body.
is that one from the CAA? And actually, you are breaking the law by interrupting a pilot
No,
of an
I'm not-
aircraft.
I'm
you
not,
are.
I'm not breaking. I'm
There
on
is
the
no
public
privacy.
way.
There
I'm
is.
asking
I'm
because
flying a
this is-
drone. You've
this is
interrupted
matter.
me.
I need to know information related to my
I'm
site.
videoing.
I am allowed to know.
You haven't shown me any ID.
information.
You
Sorry?
haven't got your security pass on you. How do I know who you are?
Well, how do you know I'm security?
You just told me, but I haven't.
No,
You haven't shown me a
I thought
pass.
I'm supervisor
There
of
is
the
no
site. I
no
didn't say
right.
security.
There's no
I didn't
right.
say security. So you are making.
There's no right at that height
You are
to
making
privacy.
assumption, wrong assumption. I didn't say I'm security.
Okay.
I say I'm supervisor.
Okay.
of the site. That's
Shall
what
I
said.
carry on?
Sorry?
Shall I carry on? I'm on a public right of way.
Okay. So you have to skip it.
So as we can see here, this site is nearly completely cleared. Euston train lines pass in the background. All cleared. There's a new bridge being built behind. So the bridge is still under construction. The tunnelling equipment obviously is being built at Oldham Common. Oh, here we go, here's another one.
Hello.
Hi!
Yeah, why are you recording the premises?
Because it's interesting.
Sorry?
Because it's interesting. Isn't it?
Do you have authority to record the site?
Yeah. I can fly my drone in a public place.
This is not a public place.
The sky's a public place. You can see the crane there. We're keeping away from the crane, but it is unoccupied at the moment. But yeah, that's all we wanted to see here. Getting our picture taken, getting interrupted while flying a drone by HS2 Security as always. There's the city in the background. Look over the top of Euston. A red bus running along the road there. Come on, you can turn the camera on quicker than that, surely. Imagine if I was stealing something, you still can't turn it on. It's ridiculous. Come on, get that body camera turned on quickly. Mine's on. You can have my footage if you like. It's a good job I'm not committing a crime, isn't it? Because you'd be in big trouble for not being able to turn that on. Madness. Ask them why they're going to video me. Ah, dear. So what drone can't fly over you? What's the rule? You still can't turn that on. It's a real good job that I'm not a criminal. Would you like to inspect it? Would you like to inspect it? Because you must know the rules. You tell me I can't fly here. You must know the rules about drones. So what's the rule about drones?
No one can stop you.
Why?
No, I said no one allowed to stop you.
No one's allowed to stop me. Exactly. So why are two people videoing me? Why is the other chap videoing me on his phone?
Which one?
The one that just walked in there about 4 or 5 minutes ago. Came out with his phone and videoed me. This chap can't even turn his body camera on. It's embarrassing. It's a good job I'm not a criminal. Ridiculous. Every time. I film HS2 3-4 times a week. 6 or 7 of you every time. Just need to read the memo. Mental. Hello. Yeah, not bad, you? I'm just off to the other side. Do you want to let them know I'm coming as well?
Yeah. Just let you know it's recording.
That's fine.
How's things okay?
Yeah, I'm alright. Just finishing
I
off.
remember you from last time.
Of course you do.
So, anything you're looking for this time?
Just seeing what's changed. So the bridge has come, hasn't it? So the bridge hasn't changed. Yeah, there's more building on the bridge. But they're just clearing it now, aren't they?
I don't know much
No.
about
fine.
it works. But yeah, of course, if you want to know, I know where you can find more details. If you
People
need
want to
them.
see this. You know,
Okay.
people want to see the unedited stuff.
Yeah, I
So,
understand.
John goes over. Your injunction doesn't apply to me because I'm a vlogger. So
No, it does.
it doesn't.
actually.
It doesn't. I've contacted them. It's in the affidavit. There's people with an interest in this who aren't interfering with the cranes.
Yeah.
It doesn't apply to
Yeah,
me.
no. So,
So,
even what
yeah.
I've told you last
Yeah.
time, if you fly the drone, as long as you don't interfere with the
yeah,
works,
that's fine.
that's fine.
Exactly. But I get
as soon
one
as
guy.
It does.
Yeah.
That's when. You
Yeah, exactly. But
yeah.
there's nobody in the crane, is there? I checked on the way in.
I don't know really. Yeah,
No, it's
but
not.
yeah.
And you finish work.
So-
They finish work at 6. It's 20 past.
No, sometimes they do overtime.
Okay. But yeah,
not too sure
the
about
cranes
it.
are empty.
Yeah.
The next place I'm going is the back of Euston to come over the top to look down the event.
Okay, so just MDJV.
Yeah. They'll let them know. But they won't see me because I'll be in on public path.
Okay. Yeah, that's all right. Yeah,
But it's nonsense, you know. I video these guys from Birmingham to London,
okay.
and the amount of times people think it's acceptable to come out and tell me I can't do something on a public path is
Okay.
really bad.
I apologize.
Because they don't
I
understand.
apologize.
You didn't understand, did you?
I told you.
You don't understand. I'm allowed.
I asked you a simple question.
I'm videoing the site.
You were very rude with me.
I was videoing the site. It's very simple.
No, you can't video. But it's a private.
I can. He's telling me I can.
Yeah, it's all right. Yeah.
You
okay.
can.
I
You can
apologize,
video.
yeah.
If you're in the air,
Yeah.
above private property, even above that house, I can video its garden. If there's someone naked in the garden, I have to delete it. but I'm allowed to fly over here. There is an
Is it for
injunction.
personal use as well?
Yeah, yeah, personal use. But if there's someone in the crane and the crane is prevented from working, or the drone is blocking a door and the truck can't get in, no, can't happen.
Yeah, I'm sure you've read the injunction.
Yeah, I've read
As
it.
long as you
I've even
interfere with the works.
Yeah, I've
that's
contacted
when you are
lawyers
in
as well.
breach of the injunction,
Exactly.
and then you may held in contempt
Yeah.
of court. But as long
Yeah.
as you are not interfering with anything,
As long as I'm not
you're
blocking
all fine.
anything.
And then
But the problem is,
all we are trying to
Yeah.
do. If
You're
we
trying to
can
police it, of
help
course.
you, you know what
Yeah.
I mean, and then if we can help you in any way, because I think this is the third time
Yeah,
I'm
third time,
interacting with
yeah.
you. Once I think I met you in
twice. Me, yeah, it was
the,
back
over
there.
there, and then the next time I think I saw you in the just near the garden, and then I think
Oh, did you?
moved
Did you
on.
see me that
I
morning?
did. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
okay, I didn't see
I think
that
you
day.
did not fly on the day.
No, I did actually. I did
Oh,
I did the whole thing back
okay, I think
back
we
to
missed
front.
it then.
Yeah.
I think we missed it. Yeah, but
Yeah, that was
again
really
today.
early, wasn't it?
Yeah, again today. So
But that's what I do. I come early
Yeah.
or late, so it doesn't affect anybody.
yeah, okay.
You guys can work. You know, you work for the day.
Okay.
But the thing is, this is history at the end of the day.
Yeah, okay.
You know, people want to see
Okay.
how it's changing. People want to see that the bridge is finally being built, which is what I started last time. But people also want to see that their flats weren't knocked down here
Okay.
for no reason.
So, sorry, do you agree with me that it could be done in the formal way? That
No,
You
bec-
request
I-
authorization, and we tell you.
They won't approve it. I've tried. They will not approve a flight over your land
So how can we receive the delegation from BBC and stuff? You
because
remember?
it's commercial. I'm a
Commercial,
private
yeah, they're
individual.
private
They will not allow
individual.
it.
I'm not too sure about the
Yeah.
legalities of that thing, but I don't think it would be that easy. Or
Yeah.
I'm not too
I
sure.
approached them and said, look,
Okay.
this is what I'm doing. I'm doing this
Okay.
video of the viaduct in Cole Valley. So this is my plan. I've got aviation approval from the airport nearby.
Okay.
I'm going to fly. I'm going to stick away from your cranes. I'm going to hover along the outside because you're still working on Saturday.
Yes.
I'm not going anywhere near.
Did you hover inside at all today? Or
Yeah.
you just hovered
Yeah,
outside?
all the top.
You did go
but-
inside?
Yeah.
Okay.
So just to clarify one thing,
Mhm.
just to put you in the image with
Yeah.
the situation. So he's security supervisor.
Yeah.
Okay. Your presence here is interpreting his job.
Yeah. But he's aware that people video this
He's
site.
aware because he interacts with you many times, so he's aware.
But if I come here and I stand at that gate with a camera, which I have in the bag as well, and I just hold a camera over the top, what is the difference? Because
you may be.
you think that's absolutely fine, but all I'm doing is getting that picture from higher. And people say,
I will take it
and
me.
I know, people will say to me, like you said to me, I can't take a picture of private property. Have you ever been a tourist, gone to Buckingham Palace, stood outside and taken a picture?
fine.
It's exactly the same.
No.
You
Taking
do not
picture-
control
No.
the public
If
area.
I'm in front of a historical church.
This is historic though.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's not get into that argument. So
Okay.
No.
is there
Don't take it
any way we can
personal.
help you with?
No, not
Do
tonight.
you still need the HS2 card? Or you,
No,
you
I've
don't
got
have
all the
it? You
details. I've got all the
details?
lawyers' details. It's
Okay.
all good.
Also, if you guys need, if you need anything from us, do ask us. We
Yeah.
are helpful people.
I started
We
at
are
the top
here to help you
tonight.
guys. I'm not going to.
I started at the top night expecting to
Yeah.
bump into someone up there, but it looks like you've all moved down here.
Okay. Yeah.
So-
So, we are going to
Yeah,
help you
of course.
in any way we can.
Yeah.
I mean, we are not here
But
to.
the drone is flown everywhere I can. So after here, I'm going to Luton New Stadium. They're building a new football stadium. It's on the flight path from Luton, so I cannot launch the drone.
Yeah.
But I can phone the airport because they know my name, my address, my telephone number, and the serial number that's on the drone, and they will allow the drone to go up.
So you basically got a license for the
Yeah,
drone, isn't it?
basically, I have an operator ID.
Okay,
So-
can I ask what's your name? So maybe even if you come around more times, who would know that? Oh, that's the person.
I don't give my
right?
name because there's no point, because you're not going to write it down. But
No,
I'm
I
allowed to
would write it
operate.
down. So if you are
There's no
kind
point.
enough,
There's no point.
you know what I mean? So
But I use a YouTube video channel called Wandering Northerner.
what is that?
Wandering Northerner.
Wondering.
Northerner.
Situation that I want to show you or to transmit to you is that because we had many issues, many suspicious action.
Of course.
That
You come
we-
out and you ask. It's fine.
That we are a bit,
Bit tense.
Wondering.
Wandering
for
Northerner.
That's,
Yeah.
oh, is that your channel?
Yeah, that's my channel.
That's quite good. How many?
And not many, but there's about 800 subscribers. But
It's quite a few, isn't it?
you'll see the videos of HS2, Luton Town, Universal, all stuff that's been built.
Can I get a name?
No, I use that one. But this is what I do as a hobby. And the fact is, these sites are constantly
Communication
changing.
is a key. So
I know, but I look across and you're videoing me. At the weekend, The weekend, the
Because-
video I've just put
not
up,
because-
that's in
not because
for the
of
stream.
your person, because
Yeah.
we
I
had,
know, I know.
we had suspicious before.
But at the weekend,
So it's preventive for my safety and your safety.
the weekend I'm
to
in
do it.
Birmingham, I get in the car and the security guard came out and videoed the car, and I'm like, what are you doing? He's like, oh, I've sent it to my boss. I'm like, but I've also had
I'm
people
not
follow
going
me.
to
It's
details,
nonsense.
But we had.
I know you
we
did.
had people come in here. We had even people that trying to stop or
Yeah.
to attack physically.
I get that.
someone else.
Yeah, I get that.
So
But as soon as someone says
we
to
are-
you, I'm videoing the construction, that should be enough. If you want to ask the weight of the drone, because the drone has to be a certain weight, I'll tell you the weight of the
Because
drone.
I don't know if me personally, I read a policy. I don't remember where a policy that the drone need to have certain specification to
Yeah.
use it.
That's exactly it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Certain weight
Mhm.
and with authorization.
Yes. No authorization.
With
If it's under 250,
Yeah.
250 grams, which it is, has to have an operator ID printed on the drone, which it has, and it can fly pretty much
So
everywhere
how
apart
can
from.
someone like me or him to know that details?
You don't actually have the right to ask. But the police could come and I could show the police and the police would leave. If you phone the police probably wouldn't turn up anymore.
Yeah. Before we call the police,
Mm-hmm.
we used to. Well, it's not that I'm saying this is the.
I know. There's certain people out there who
it's
wouldn't
not that
tell
I
you.
saw him. You are
Yeah.
monitoring the flight,
Yeah.
and they call the police.
Yeah.
It's not like that.
But there is certain people out there who would deliberately not tell you that information, so you phone the police.
Then,
Yeah,
Then
I would
came.
tell you. It's 249. I even brought it down and said, "Do you want to look at the drone? Do you want to look at the drone?" The guy came out, didn't even have his body cam on. He's messing around trying to turn his body camera on. If I was an actual criminal, I could have left.
No,
no, it's for safety.
Yeah, I know, no.
No, don't take it that way.
But if, no, I know,
He's
but
security officer.
I know, I didn't care. But the fact is, he stood there for a good couple of minutes, fiddling around. I was like, "Come on, mate, you can turn that on. You can turn your body camera on." But I could have been anyone. I literally could have been anyone. Right? You're suspicious of me for flying a drone.
No, it's preventive. It's
No,
not
I know,
suspicion.
but there is a
It's
sus-
preventive.
the-
Just
there is a
because
suspicion.
We had some incident.
This is really uncomfortable standing
Yeah,
like that.
understand.
But there is a suspicion. So he's come out to check. But in the time he stood there, he can't turn his body camera on. He actually physically couldn't turn it on.
Because-
Yeah.
Then his mate came out and said, "I've turned mine on." And he's going, "I can't turn it on, I can't turn it on."
I don't know if you know this job of security, that we have to send a report.
Of course you do.
Yeah.
But at this point, I've gone, and the evidence of the person who has planted something, or stolen your bit of equipment, or blocked an entrance, or put a different padlock on your gate, has gone. And he hasn't turned his camera on.
No, you're right. You're right.
And it's silly. It's silly, isn't it? You've got to get your house in order.
I
We'll look
will
into it.
take it, but any information that in the moment that, let's say the opposite, that he didn't turn the camera and the manager asked him,
Yeah.
where is the footage? You have body on
Exactly.
camera. That's what the
I would
body on
expect.
camera is for.
I'd expect him to have his camera on.
So,
I've seen this
body on
enough times to
camera
know the
is
camera's
not
on.
to take you changing the padlock away.
Yeah.
It's just for description,
Yeah,
for example.
I get it. I get it.
Description.
Yeah, but the drone is light enough. It's nothing.
This is. Sorry. This
So,
is.
that's still
because
key.
it's controllable.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I know.
No, we have to do that. This is procedure.
Yeah, I know it is.
It's
I
not, it's
know.
not that it's personal or not.
Yeah.
Any security officer here, when he face any issue, not
I know.
specifically there,
Yeah,
automatically he has to.
I know it is.
For
But the
his
fact is,
safety,
his
for
camera
safety.
didn't work. Anyway,
Yeah, in future, if you need anything from us, just come knock on the door.
yeah,
You know what I mean?
like I know
Or
who
if
you are now. So,
Exactly.
but this is nearly done.
Yeah.
The next video will probably be 2-3 months because all they're doing is clearing site, aren't they?
Yeah, pretty
yeah.
much. Okay.
It's finished. The new garden is built, isn't it?
All right then, yeah.
Anyway,
Nice.
I want to see the air vent.
Take care.
But yeah,
All right,
nothing to worry about. Take care.
No problem, eh?
See you later.
Thank you.